welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now, no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like. That includes the battle pass. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. So right now, right here we have our latest winner. Now what he wants from the item shop is down here below. Just need to find it. So here it is. We're gonna go on. We're gonna select the gift. And I'm going to take a look at our party, select his name, purchase the gift, and we're going to send it away. How long will this take? It should take seconds for him to get it. So right now, if I go back to his name, it should say that he owns this, and that way I know that he got it, because I cannot send it over again. So that's how I know. And there we go, he's wearing his newly gifted skin. Congrats for winning. Anyways, if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. Just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.